I'm Hasbib with WTI, and I have a lot of makeup. And not long ago, I didn't have anywhere to put my makeup where I could see everything I had, actually use it. And now with this amazing cosmetic makeup organizer from Sorbus, my problem is solved. I love the fact that it has 4 large drawers and then 2 small ones where I can store any smaller products such as beauty blenders, or if I don't have a lot of mascaras, they can all fit in there. This is something I use every day because I do my makeup every day, and my favorite thing is definitely that I can actually use all the makeup I have. Where I used to have all my makeup in a makeup bag, and that makes it really hard for you to actually see what you have or what you're missing. But now, since this is a clear makeup organizer, I can literally see everything, and I can take advantage of my makeup even more than before. And it's huge, you guys. I didn't know it was going to be this big, and I was surprised when I got it because the size is enough. It's just perfect. It has room for all your makeup. It fits all my makeup, and I can even fit more in there. So I think it's perfect. If you are a makeup lover and you have a lot of makeup, I think this is great. To me, it looks really stylish in any room. I really have no complaints. It's the perfect size. The top part is detachable, so if you don't want to have all these on top, you can just detach it and put it somewhere else and just leave this part of the organizer. So if you're looking to organize all your makeup in a stylish, practical, and convenient way, I think this acrylic makeup organizer from Sorbus is perfect. It is now my favorite product in this room, and that's my point of view.